Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the online lecture of Sharad V. More English High School. In last lecture of geometry, I have started practice at 7.2 and first question completed. Okay. Then next question number 2. The radii of ends of a frustum are 40 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively, and its height is 6 centimeter. Find its curved surface area, total surface area, and volume. Now look here what is given in the second question. This question is based on the frustum, and you know what is frustum. When from a cone, cylindrical cone, the upper portion, that is conical part, is being cut, the shape that is formed is called as frustum, right? Means जब आप ये ऊपर वाला conical part cut करोगे, so you will have a frustum shape. Okay. So now this frustum is having two different bases, right? Of different radii. So here in the second question, it's given the radius of two different bases, top and bottom. Okay. Along with that, height is also given. Means h is given, r1 is given, and r2 is given. We have to find the curved surface area, total surface area, and volume. Okay. The formulas to find out these three aspects. Curved surface area, that is pi l into r1 plus r2. Total surface area of frustum is pi l into r1 plus r2 plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Volume of a frustum is 1 upon 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Got it? So now we'll be using these three formulas to solve the question number 2. First we'll write what is given to us. Okay, the radii of the ends of a frustum are 14 and 6 centimeter, right? The radii are 14 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So, therefore, R1 is equals to 14. R2 is equals to 6. And H, height, right? Height is also 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the three different things. That is, first one is curved surface area. So first of all, curved surface area is pi l r1 plus r2. So to find out L, now look here, it's given r1, r2, h, but L is not given, so that we are supposed to find. We'll use a formula to find the slant height L, and formula for that is h2 h square plus under root h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square. Okay. Now we will substitute the given values to find out the slant height. Under root h2, the value of h is 6. So 6 square plus r1 is 14 centimeter. R2 is 6 centimeter. So r1 minus r2 whole square. Now square of 6 is 36. 14 minus 6 is 8, right? So we will write here 8 square. Now first we'll find out the square of 8 and we'll add it into the 36. So root of 36 plus that is 64. Now you will have 36 plus 64 is equals to 100. Okay, under root 100. Now square root of 100 is 10. So we got the value of slant height, that is L. L is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay. Therefore L is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we will find the curved surface area by using the formula. Okay. So formula for curved surface area of frustum. is equals to pi L into R1 plus R2. Okay, now we will substitute the values. Since the value of pi is given in the question as 3.14, we will take that value 3.14 multiplied by L. So value of L is 10 centimeters. So we'll substitute it here. 10 into R1. R1 is 14 centimeter. 14 plus R2. Okay. 14 plus R2. R2 is 6 centimeters. So 14 plus 6. Okay. Now 3.14 multiplied by 10. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. So here we'll write 3.14 into 10 into 20. So now look here. 3.14 into 10 into 20. 200. Right? Now we will multiply 3.14 in 200. Okay. So now look. 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, and here since it's 2 zeros, so we will shift the decimal after 2 places, right? So here it will become 62.80, right? 628.80. So we can easily discard the 0, so you will get 628 centimeters square. Okay, since its area, the unit will be centimeter square. Okay, so therefore curved surface area of first term is 628 centimeters square. Got it? Next concept is total surface area of a frustum. So to find out the total surface area, we will use the formula of that concept, that is pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R square plus pi R2. So now let's find out the total surface area. Total surface area of frustum, that is equals to pi L R1 plus R2. Now total is what? Means this curved surface one. Curved surface area, this one, along with the bases, right? Two different ends. So here you will write the formula for curved surface area pi L R1 plus R2, right? After that you will add the formulas for these two bases also. So pi formula for the circular portion is what? Pi R square. So pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Okay. So now we will write here plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. Okay. So value of L. Now here you can easily substitute the value for this portion, because इसके पहले वाले step में हम लोग ने find किए हैं curved surface area, right? Curved surface area is nothing but pi L R1 plus R2. So here we can directly write down the value, that is 628. So here we'll write 628 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. So R1 is what? 14. So we'll write here 14 square plus pi. R2 is what? 6. So here we'll write pi into 6 square. Now 628 plus, now you can easily take out pi common, right? So here it will be 14 square plus 6 square. Okay. Now 628 plus 3.14. Value of pi is what? 3.14. So we'll substitute it here. 14 square is 196. So here we'll write that plus 6 square is 36. Okay. Now 628 plus 3.14 into 196 plus 36 is 232. Okay, when you will add them, you will get 232. Now we have these three terms, 628 plus 3.14 into 232. So first step is multiplication, right? आप क्या करोगे? पहले 3.14 को 232 से multiply करोगे. After that you will add the resultant product into 628. Okay. Now let's multiply 3.14 and 232. 3.14 into 230. 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. Okay, 4 threes are 12. So 2 you will write here, 1 carry, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. Now we'll add all these values. 8, 4, 18, 12. So you will write 2, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So you got the answer as 428848. Okay, 4. 3 plus, here it's 4, right? So 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, now after, you can see here it's 2. Yeah, decimal is after 2 digits. So after 2 digits you can easily write the decimal point. So your final answer is 728.48. Okay, so now you will add 628 plus 728.48, right? Now you will add these two values. Okay, so 0.48 will be as it is. Now add these two numbers. Okay, 8 plus 8, 16. 6, 1 carry, 7, 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. Here it's 7. 7 plus 6 is 30. Okay, so you will get here 5 and 30. Okay, so your final answer is 1356.48 centimeter square. Okay, since its area, its unit will be centimeter square. So therefore total surface area of frustum is this. Okay, therefore total area of frustum is 1356.48 centimeter square. Okay, now last part of this question, volume of the frustum. Okay, now we will find the volume. So you will use the formula for volume of a frustum, that is 1 upon 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Okay, volume of frustum is equals to volume of frustum is equals to 1 upon 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now we will substitute the values. Okay, 1 upon 3 into pi. Value of pi is 3.14. So write down that value h. H is 6 centimeter. Okay, next into r1 square, that is 14 square, plus r2 square means 6 square, plus r1 into r2, that is 14 into 6. Okay, now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so here 1 into 3.14, 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 14 square, that is 196, plus 6 square 36, plus 14 into 6, 84. Okay, ओके, नाउ वी विल ऐड ऑल दिस वैल्यूज. ओके, पहले आप क्या करोगे, जो ब्रैकेट पार्ट में तीनों भी टर्म्स है उसको आप ऐड करोगे. 196 प्लस 36 प्लस 84. ओके, सो 196 plus 36 plus 84. So add them. 6 plus 4, 10, 16. 6 here, right? 1 carry. 10, 8, 18, 21. So 1 you will write here, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. 316. Okay. So when you will add 196, 36 and 84, you will get 316. So now multiply. 3.14 into 2 is 6.28, right? Now you will multiply 6.28 and 316. Okay. So you will get the final answer.
और उस वक्त के जो लोग थे वो खेती करते थे.
Okay. Now you will multiply 6.28 and 316. Okay. 6.28 into 316. Okay. Now 8 6 are 48. So 8 you will write 4 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 4. 16. 6 you will write here 1 carry. 6 is 36 plus 1 37. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6. 8 threes are 24. 4 you will write 2 carry. 3 twos are 6 plus 2 8. 6 threes are 18. Now you will add all this number and get the final answer. Okay. Okay. So 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 6 14. 4 you will write 1 carry. Okay. 7 plus 1 8. 8 to 10 plus 4 14. 4 1 carry. Okay. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. 8 you will write here 1 carry. So 8 plus 1 9 and then 1 as it is. Okay. So you get here 198,448. Now you can see here that is decimal after 2 digits. So you will add a decimal point after 2 digits. Okay. So 1908.48 is the final answer. Okay. So therefore volume of frustum. Therefore volume of frustum is 1984.48 centimeter cube. Since it's volume, it will be in cube. Okay, centimeter cube. So that's your final answer. Okay. So here we have completed second question. Next question. Question number 3. Okay. Now question number 3. The circumferences of circular faces of a frustum are 132 centimeter and 88 centimeter. Means the circumference of this circular portion is pi r1 and 2 pi r1 and r2. Okay. Next. And height is 24 centimeter. That is ये जो हाइट है आपके फ्रस्टम की वो 24 सेंटीमीटर है h. Okay, to find the curved surface area of the frustum, complete the following activity. Now this question is in the form of activity. You have to find out the curved surface area. Okay, आपको curved surface area find करना है, so you will complete this given activity. So to find out the curved surface area, what is the required formula? Pi l into r1 plus r2. So that for that we should know the value of r1, r2 and l. Okay, so now as you know the formula for circumference is what? 2 pi r. So the circumference of this upper portion is 2 pi r1, right? Since इसका radius क्या है r1. So now it's given as 132. So therefore we have to find out the value of r1. So r1 will be, r1 क्या रहेगा आपको, क्या है यहाँ पर जो 2 पाई है वो क्या करोगे आप 132 के पास शिफ्ट करोगे. So 132 upon 2 pi. Okay, 132 upon 2 pi. Now what you have to do, you have to solve this proportion, this value. आपको क्या करना है, solve करना है, and you have to get a value for the radius. So now let's solve 132 upon 2 pi. Okay, so now here it's 132 upon 2 and value of pi is given as 22 upon 7. So we will substitute it like this. Okay, 22 upon 7. Now we'll solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 you will carry, so again 2 6 are 12. Okay, so now here it's 66. So now here division की जगह आप multiplication लोगे, so it will become, instead of writing 22 upon 7, it will become 7 upon 22, right? So 7 will go into the numerator. So now 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 11 6s are 66. Okay, so now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So you will multiply 3 and 7. So 3 into 7 is 21. So r1 की वैल्यू क्या मिली आपको 21. Okay, got the calculation. Next, circumference 2. So that is this portion. इस portion का आपको circumference find करना है. So that is 2 pi r2 and that is given as 88. So you will shift 2 pi to the right side. So it will become 88 upon 2 pi. Now you will solve 88 upon 2 pi. Okay. So that is 88 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. Okay. So now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Now it will become 44 into 22 upon 44 into 7 upon 20, right? Since 7 is here in the new. Now you can cancel it by the table of 2. 11 2s are 22. 11 4s are 44. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. Okay. So R2, the value of R2 is 14. Okay. Here you got 21, you got here 14. Now we'll substitute the values. Okay. H की वैल्यू क्या मिली है, H की वैल्यू आपको गिवन है यहाँ पे 24, right? So you will substitute 24 square plus r1 minus r2. So r1 is 21 and r2 is 14. So 21 minus 14 is 7. So next ये दोनों पोर्शन में आप क्या लिखोगे, दोनों बॉक्सेस में यहाँ पर आएगा आपका 24 स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर substitute the values. Okay, 24 square is 576. Okay, plus 7 square, that is 49. Okay, when you will add that you will get 9 plus 6, that is 15. 1 carry, 7 1 8, 12, 1 carry. So you will get 625. So the square root of 625 is what? 25. So you will get the slant height of the first term is 25 centimeter. Now you got the values. Okay, आपको r1 की वैल्यू मिली, r2 की वैल्यू and the value of slant height, that is L, that is equals to 25 centimeter. Now you have to find the curved surface area. So that is the formula, pi into r1 plus r2 into L. Okay, now here we will substitute the values. Pi into r1 plus r2, that is 21 plus 14. Okay, so 21 plus 14 is 35. So you will write here 35 into 25. Okay, multiplied by pi. Now you will multiply these three values. आप क्या करोगे, 22 upon 7. pi की वैल्यू क्या है 22 upon 7. यहाँ पे 35 है और यहाँ पे 25. Now we'll solve it. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 22 into 5 into 25. 25 5s are 125. Now you will multiply 125 and 22. So you will get the final answer, that is curved surface area. Okay. So now let's multiply. Okay. 5 2s are 10. So you will write 0, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2. 0, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2. Now you will add it and get the value as 2 here 750. Okay. Means 2750 square centimeter. Your final answer. Okay. So ये three boxes में आप क्या लिखोगे finally? Here you will write 35 and in the next box to that you will write 25 and final answer आपको क्या मिला है? Final box में आपका आएगा 2750 square centimeter. Okay. So here we have completed this practice set.